Time for a makeup tutorial. Hi guys, today I'm doing this makeup look. I'm going to be reviewing for you guys some more Kokie Cosmetics products. I did a review on some of their products like 6 or 7 months ago. I'll put a link to that down below. But here are, I mentioned I didn't have those eyeshadows. I didn't get to try out the eyeshadows in that one because I didn't have them when I picked them. They didn't have them. But I was able to try out some of the eyeshadows. I've been playing around with these for like the past 2 weeks. And I finally decided I was ready to share them with you guys. I also share you guys a Kokie Cosmetics eyeliner and a lip product. I do quickly want to mention that all the Kokie Cosmetics products that I received, I did get from Octoly and Kokie? I did get them from Octoly and Kokie Cosmetics themselves. They sent them to me to review for you guys, and I'm so glad I did. So yeah, that is everything I want to mention, I think. So here is the end product. If you'd like to see how to get to this end product, then just keep on watching. Alright, so we are going to be starting out with the eyes today. I am going to be showing you some Kokie Cosmetics products. I've been talking about Kokie Cosmetics for a while now. I love their contour kits. I love their lipstick. There's a lot of things that I love, but I've never gotten to try their eyeshadows. So when I saw that this was on Octoly, I was like, hey, I would like to review this for you guys because I've never gotten a chance to try out these. And, you know, the Hawaii Walmarts don't sell Kokie Cosmetics, which is super lame because they're really, really good. First thing on the docket is to prime the eyes. I've had some bad dark circles, so I'm using concealer a lot to prime my eyes instead of my Smashbox one, just because they've been so bad. You need to set that with a little bit of powder. I'm going to be taking just a powder brush and whatever was left in my thing. I am just going to pick a fluffy crease brush. This is the eye blender from Glow Minerals. And I'm going in with this shade right here. I have used this palette a couple of times, and I am actually like really loving the shadows and how they blend. I was actually really surprised. They really remind me of the shadows from the Hard Candy palette that I am obsessed with. If you guys remember me talking about that palette. But very professional, blends nicely, has good pigment. I have not actually swatched them though yet, believe it or not. I've only tried them on the eyes. I've kind of been getting away from swatching too much just because swatches can be very, very, very deceiving, and I'm not down for that. So let's take this Morphe one. So I'm going to be going in with the taupey shade right here. I'm going to be going right over top of that lavender shade. So now this is going to be a little bit more of like an edgier, so the eyes aren't going to be too crazy. Like they're going to be pretty tame, but I want to kind of go in with a really funky lip. It's like a deep purple, which is also from Kokie Cosmetics. I love drugstore makeup, you guys. It's like so dope. Oh, that's pretty. Morphe Pink 524, and I'm going to take the dark brown right here just to define the outer part of the eyes a little bit. That is a really pretty shade. And I'm just going to take the blending brush to blend it out. Now I'm going to go in with the deep purple right here, just a hint of it. To kind of blend with that dark brown. Okay, maybe a lot of it. So what I like about this is there's like no fallout on my eyes. I really appreciate that. These are really good quality shadows, you guys, and they're from the drugstore. Like, that is amazing. I can roll with that. And it's really small and compact, so it is easy to travel with. Alright, I want to go in with this shade right here. I'm just going to take it on my finger though. And I'm going to touch it on my inner, I'd say third to half, like not all the way half, not only a third, it's like in between that. Just blend that together a little bit. Man, you guys, the difference that lashes make is crazy. So, anyways, we're gonna be moving on to the face. I'm just taking my Baby Skin from Maybelline. I've really been liking this one a lot. It blurs my pores, and because I'm normal to dry skin, it doesn't make me break out and it doesn't make me greasy. I hear though that if you have oily skin, this isn't the best one, but then again, you know, who knows? So I can't vouch for any of that. Okay, we are nice and primed. I'm gonna be taking my Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. I've just been trying to use all of my foundations. I got really stuck on my BH Cosmetics one, and so I'm trying to do other things. I'm just gonna take this little Morphe stippling brush to apply it. I'm gonna go ahead and take my LA Colors contour stick. Oh yeah. I want a little bit of a liquid glow, so I'm going to be taking my Revolution Makeup or Makeup Revolution Champagne, Liquid Champagne Luster right here. Right there. Just going to take my Sigma Concealer Blend to kind of buff it into the skin. It is time to go ahead and set everything. I do still have some powder left over from my Coty Airspun, and I'm just going to lightly set. I'm not going to go like in my eyes yet because I haven't put concealer there yet. I just want to set everything else so that it doesn't, I don't know, go away. I'm going to go with my NARS one today. It's been a hot minute since I've used it, and it's almost gone. I gotta get a new one. I don't even know if I'm gonna get a new one because I love my BH Cosmetics one so much, but I don't need any more coverage. I'm full coverage, so I just want it for the highlighting purposes, so I'm gonna go in with the NARS one. And blend this out. Finish the under eye. I don't want to do too much to it. I'm just going to take taking this Kokie Cosmetics eyeliner in Sterling Silver, and I'm gonna go right along here. Super duper creamy. Like, I barely have to press and they apply so well. because I'm going to be going with a dark lip, I didn't want too much on the bottom. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do my eyebrows, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm going to be taking MAC Shade Stir just to kind of bronze up a little bit. I mean, I did already contour. I don't need to do too much when I cream contour. I'm just, you know, adding a little bit more warmth. Moving on to blush, I'm mixing Peaches and Margin from MAC. It's been like my favorite blush combo recently. And then because I'm doing a more cool tone look, I'm going to be going in with Becca Opal, which is just such a beautiful like cool tone highlighter. And my favorite highlighting brush, you guys, is the one from Sigma. This is the Spotlight Duster. I highly recommend it. It gives you a bling, but it gives you a really blinging highlight without being harsh because of how long and soft the bristles are. It really just distributes the product evenly, and it's not too concentrated. I love this brush. I highly recommend it. It's well worth the money. This is one of those things where I'm like, this beats them all. Like my literal favorite highlighting brush. Are glowing. I want to jump back into the Kokie Cosmetics palette, and I want to pick up this shade over here. It's like a champagne, kind of. It's like a cool tone champagne. And I want to highlight my brow bone and my inner corner with this. We are going to be moving on to the lips. Now this is going to be super vampy but super fun. I'm going to be taking the lip liner in the shade Nevermind from ColourPop. And then for the lipstick, this is Kokie Cosmetics, and this one is in the shade Vamp. This is a deep, it's basically like this lip liner. But I love the texture and the formula of their lipsticks. I have a couple, I have some like nude ones. Then there we have it. So yeah, I really enjoyed the shadows, you guys. I played around. This is like my favorite look I've done with it. I've done a couple others, but this is like by far my favorite. You can get some like super pretty neutral to cool tone looks with this. I like how compact it is, how travel friendly it is. I love the texture. Let me just swatch them. Honestly, like I've used these, but I've never swatched them. They perform better than the swatches. Interesting. It's like, I think it's so crazy. Like you would think it'd be the other way around, but these actually perform better than they swatch. Let me try. I also had a highlighter on my hand. So yeah, there is the champagne shade, and let me show you the satiny. There is the one that we put on the inner corner. Here is another one. I'm just showing you guys the shimmers for now, just because I feel like mattes are like always perform better than they swatch. Like I think swatching mattes is really boring. I hate swatching mattes. But yeah, so here are those, and let me just show you a swatch of the lipstick. You guys can see right here on my lips, but it is just very vampy. Oh, it's so pretty. I love that. I think this is more of like a winter color instead of fall, even though it is vampy, because I think like purples and cool tones are more like winter. I'd say like dark reds and browns for fall, but this is a very good like vampy, edgy, I don't know. I love it. I love it a lot. And then the silver eyeliner, you guys, really, really stays on super well. I'm sorry, I have like a huge mess in front of me. Alright guys, so that's everything for this video. I really do hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed the makeup look, the review, and I hope you are glad that, you know, some of this is drugstore. So I think that's everything for the video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below if you enjoyed it. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for tuning in with us. I hope you want to hit that subscribe button and make sure to hit that little bell next to it so you don't miss any of my videos, because, you know, YouTube's not going to tell you unless you hit that bell. But yeah, that's everything, and I hope you guys are having a wonderful day.